There are often misconceptions about the ketogenic diet being unpalatable, unhealthy and unachievable. It's none of these. With the help and support of Matthew's Friends and EKM, you can create tasty and nutritious meals on the ketogenic diet. And here's how. On your homepage, button 2, Menus, is where the main calculation of meals, adding and updating product information is done. To start, click Menus. Meals are created in 2 steps. The first step is about naming the meal and setting your prescription targets. The second step is adding products to create the actual meal. Step 1. On the Menus section on the left-hand side of the screen, click on the plus icon. Give the menu a name that you'll easily remember later. In this example, we'll call it Spaghetti Bolognese. Once you've named your meal, you add your prescription targets for fat, protein and carbohydrate. These figures will be given to you by your dietitian and relate only to the meal. They're not your daily target. There's a final entry called Notes, where you can type in your own instructions about how to cook this, oven temperatures and other useful information. Once this information has been entered, click on the tick icon in the lower right-hand corner of the box to save. Now you can start adding products to the meal. To open the product section, click on the icon in the top right-hand corner of the Items screen. This is represented by 3 horizontal bars. EKM comes preloaded with a list of many standard products which have been obtained by the UK Food Data Tables. In the search box, enter the name of the item you wish to add to the meal, for example, beef mince. Once you can see the correct item, click once and then select the top left-hand option on the product bar labelled Add to Menu. It will then appear in the Items column. To add another ingredient to the menu, click the cross at the end of the search box so you can clear your last selection and start a new search, for example, mushrooms. Continue this process for all items in the menu. If you forget an item, you can go back and add it later. If you add an incorrect item, select it from your items list and click the bin icon in the top right-hand corner of the items bar to remove it. As well as the preloaded products, you can also include your own products to the database. To add a product to the database, go to the Product section and click on the plus symbol in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. A new box will appear where you can add the name of the product, for example cheese, followed by the brand. We strongly recommend using the standard name and brand that's used on the labelling. Once you've entered the name, you then add the fat, protein and carbohydrate values for your product. The values entered must be per 100 grams. To complete the entry, click on the bottom right-hand corner tick symbol to save. Adding your own products is a great way of ensuring accuracy, particularly if you're not using UK foods or you use a variety of brands. For example, values for double cream change from region to region, shops and different suppliers. Double cream is used a lot in the ketogenic diet, so this should be one of the first items you update for your specific supplier. If you're in any doubt about an individual food value, we recommend you consult your dietitian. Getting a meal can take some time, but will become easier with practice. EKM allows you to increase and decrease product amounts to create meals that are correct for your prescription. On the screen, all products you've added to your menu will be listed in the items bar. Each product will have an amounts box on the right-hand side. Click on the box to adjust the amount per gram for your recipe. Colours are used at the bottom to highlight the amount of fat, protein and carbohydrate. This works like a traffic light system, using red, amber and green to indicate how close you are to your target prescription. Red indicates way off target, so you're well over or under 2.5 grams of your target. Amber indicates you're between 2.5 and 0.25 of your target. And green indicates you're on target, which is within 0.25 of a gram of your prescription. Use the increase or decrease buttons in the items bar to adjust your amounts. Once all values are green, they're balanced, so you can create your ketogenic meal. For peace of mind, you can also print or email your menu to your dietitian to check. To do this, click on the down arrow symbol in the top left corner of the items screen and select the Print Email button. Click on the printer symbol to get a screen preview. This is a standard PDF view of the recipe, and from here you can either print or email this file.